Deborah around here somewhere. Whoa, what's going on around here?
Wow. Oh, Yuval, I'm so sorry. Listen, I came in to test out your beds and I got a little carried away.
You did that, didn't you? You look comfortable.
I am comfortable. I think I found the right one. I think this is my bed. All right, all joking aside, when people have done studies over and over again and they said, what is it that you want more of? A lot of us would think people would say money. Instead, people say they want more sleep, and that's what good reason. Let's go through some of the top New Year's resolutions. One is to lose weight. It can start right here, can't it?
Absolutely. If you sleep well, you're going to feel good. You're not going to be as hungry, and you're going to eat properly. You're going to want to go exercise. So sleeping well will make you actually lose weight.
Yeah, and a lot of people, lack of sleep builds up that cortisol, which makes us hold on to fat, and it becomes this whole vicious cycle. All right, another New Year's resolution is to...
That's why I love her. You know, I don't want to get that technical, but I love the way she said that.
I'm letting you know,
true.
because that was my life, right?
That's
Until I got a good night's sleep. Okay, the other New Year's resolution is to make more money.
You know, I love that, okay? Because I like making money, so does everybody else. If you sleep well, I mean, think about it logically. You slept well, you feel good. You get up in the morning and you're ready to conquer whatever it is that you need to conquer. If you don't sleep well, you're grouchy. And then what happens to you? When you have an issue, which we all do, you just say, leave it alone.
Yeah.
So your attitude is bad.
You're not motivated. You're not thinking as clearly. You're not as sharp, right?
Correct.
When you have a good night's sleep, you can be much more creative, and that can all translate into making more money. Of course, the other New Year's resolution is people say, I'm finally going to do it this year. I'm going to get more healthy.
Good. So I'm going to give you a tip on how to get healthy. First of all, eat well. Exercise. Be happy, you know? Don't look at the bad things. Look at the good things in your life. And get a great night's sleep.
The point of sleep is for the body to restore itself, and
Correct.
a lot of us kind of don't understand how important that sleep is. Like literally, your body has to push the reset button every day. All right, when it comes to getting a mattress, a lot of us have to push the reset button because what we have is something that somebody told us was good for us, or something we've had for many, many years that's not functional anymore. So when you come here, especially if you have some time off during the holidays, take that time to come here because you want to take a few minutes with people to make sure that they are fit into a customized mattress for them.
If I can make everyone understand one thing, there aren't two people made the same, right? You need to come, you need to be fitted into a mattress. It won't cost you a penny more if you bought it sight unseen. You shouldn't do that. This is not a purchase. This is an investment into your health. And you should approach it as such. You should take your time, come in, let us explain to you what it is that a bed should or shouldn't do. You tell us how you feel, and then we will find a bed that fits you perfectly.
Yeah, because you look at our body type, you look at, are you a side sleeper, stomach sleeper, are you kind of tossing and turning all over the place?
Exactly.
In fact, that tossing and turning can stop when you have the right mattress, right?
That's exactly right. If your body and your weight is distributed properly over this area that you're sleeping on, you're not going to have any pressure points. Your shoulders are not going to ache, your hip is not going to ache, your lower back, your upper, around your neck. Those type of things that make you toss and turn without you even realizing it. Here's a good clue. Let's say you went to sleep last night and you fell asleep on your back. This morning you found yourself on your tummy. Or you went to sleep usually on your side and you find yourself on your back. That means you're tossing and turning and you're not doing well in bed. Your bed is your cause root of your problem. If you wake up in the morning and you're kind of stiff and then as the day goes by you feel better, most likely your bed is the cause root of your issues.
All right, I found my perfect mattress, but what about the other side? I have so many couples who ask me, they go, yeah, but I love our mattress, my husband hates the mattress, and that is not an issue here because one side can be for one person, you can do the other side for the other person, and again, because you are actually making them here at the factory, it doesn't cost them any more money for both of them to get the mattress that fits them perfectly.
Not a penny more. It doesn't cost me, as you said, $1 more to make this side firm, this side soft. I'm exaggerating on both ends, okay? If you need something soft because that's the way you like to sleep and it fits you well, and your husband or your partner needs something that's firmer, we'll make it. You will never see it physically, you won't see any difference in the mattress, but you will feel it because his side will be different than yours. But you make a good point. Most people think, oh my God, it's custom, it's going to cost me an arm and a leg. One, it's not going to cost you a penny more than a regular mattress. And the regular mattress is a lot less expensive here because we make them here than you would find it if you could find the same quality.
You want the top of the line on everything. And people can come in here and, you know, figure out what they want for their budget, but at the very base, you're going to start with something that's quality.
That's exactly right. I have a belief, if you're going to do something, do it well. And when you deal with people, because I like when I talk to a person, that I tell them exactly